What's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo? A hippo's very heavy, but a Zippo's a little lighter.
I've been reading a book about anti-gravity. It's been impossible to put down. Today at the bank, an old lady asked me to help check her balance. So I pushed her over. My friend says to me, "What rhymes with orange?" I said, "No, it doesn't." Did you hear about the Italian chef that died? He passed away. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
I went to a zoo today. It only had one animal. A dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
English humor can be very difficult for students to understand. If you want to know more about these English jokes, visit the British Library today.